Hey, what's up everybody? If you give me a few minutes of your time, I'm going to show you exactly how to rank your product on Amazon #1 for your desired keywords. Alright, so first thing you do is you log into your Seller Central account. From here, you're going to move over to advertising, and you're going to go down to promotions. You're going to create a promotion for percentage off, and you're going to want to use a pretty steep discount, anywhere from 50 to 75% on your product. And the reason why you want to do this is because you're enticing people to purchase your product. Okay, so I've already done that, so I'm going to skip that step. Then I'm going to move over to manage your promotions. I'm going to find the particular promotion I just created. Again, I've already done that, so it's pretty easy for me to find. And once you click on that, you're going to scroll, make sure everything is accurate. You know, that you're using the right product, the discount is correct, the time frame is correct. I prefer to use a week. This is my second version of this, so I've already done a few days of this promotion, so I shortened the time period down. But for you, you should do at least a week. So then we're gonna come over here to manage claim codes. And I'm gonna create a new unique group of claim codes for each day of the week. And I go anywhere from 20 to 50. This particular product sells well, so I don't need to go too high. I can go with about 20 per day. Once I have these codes created, what I will do is I will then take them and upload them into a Facebook offer ad. It has to be a Facebook offer ad in order for it to work, so people can claim the codes. So then we go over to Facebook. The campaign I've already created, I've already uploaded the offer ads. I named it with a pretty unique description, so that way I'm able to find it anytime I need to look for it. And then from there, again, create the campaign, create the ad set, create the target audience. So the target audience I used are Amazon shoppers and Amazon shoppers interested in a few unique categories. I will show you those same unique categories as well. But I don't have time for it now, but I'll definitely show those if you go through and you click through. And from there, you can see what the ad is actually looks like. It needs to be very simple. You don't want anything fancy. You don't want a bunch of people in your ad. You basically just want it to be simple, just a product. Basically that is on sale, showing the price and letting them know they have to get the coupon in order to get this price. Once that's done, it'll go live. You'll get your reactions. Most people will actually just claim the code. They won't like or comment on it. They'll just claim it and they'll buy it. Then from there, you can come over and see the results of that. So if we go back to my Amazon Central, fix my camera real quick. We go back to Amazon Central, you can see the sales over the last 7 days, the most recent payment down here. So obviously the strategy works. And from there, you can basically, just see that the sales coming in, and you can go over to your reports, go to payments, and see, the different, this transaction review will show you particular payments that have come in using the discount code. So obviously, I'm not going to show you the exact order IDs or anyone's personal information, but you can see that this strategy works and it generates a ton of revenue. So if you're interested in learning exactly how to do this step by step, I can show you the right links to use so that it doesn't lower your ACoS score, and also the right links and the right keywords to target to help boost your post, your product, whatever it is that you're looking to get more sales on. Go ahead and click the link in this description and I'll show you exactly how to do that.